a masterpiece of design and exclusivity. The 1957 Lincoln Continental Mark II stands as one of the most elegant and meticulously crafted automobiles ever produced, a symbol of absolute prestige. This rare machine was created not just as a car, but as a statement of wealth, luxury, and automotive perfection. If you are drawn to the golden age of hand-built craftsmanship and timeless sophistication, be part of our passionate community, where legendary automobiles are celebrated, admired, and preserved for generations. Introduced in 1956 as Ford's ultimate luxury flagship, the Continental Mark II was never just another car. It was a bespoke creation built to rival the finest European marques. Unlike anything else on American roads, this coupe boasted an understated yet commanding design, with a long, low silhouette, subtle chrome accents, and an absence of tail fins in an era when excess was the trend. Every detail was deliberately refined to exude exclusivity, from its handcrafted body panels to its flawless deep luster paintwork. The 1957 model marked the final year of production for this automotive icon, making it one of the rarest and most desirable luxury cars in history. Beneath its sculpted hood, a 368 cubic inch V8 engine produced 300 horsepower, delivering effortless acceleration and a refined driving experience. A smooth 3-speed automatic transmission ensured seamless power delivery, while the car's sophisticated suspension system provided an unmatched ride quality. Unlike mass-produced vehicles of its time, the Mark II was hand-assembled, with each unit undergoing rigorous quality inspections, ensuring that no compromise was made in materials or craftsmanship. Inside, the Continental Mark II was a sanctuary of sophistication. Lavish leather upholstery, individually tailored for each vehicle, complemented handcrafted wood trim and fine chrome details. No expense was spared in creating an environment of supreme comfort. Power windows, air conditioning, and a state-of-the-art radio were all part of this exclusive package. Every Mark II was built to custom order, making each one a unique expression of its original owner's taste and style. With only about 3,000 units ever produced between 1956 and 1957, the Mark II remains a prized possession among collectors. Well-preserved examples can fetch anywhere from $75,000 to over $200,000, depending on originality and condition. This car was not just a luxury coupe, it was a statement of elite craftsmanship, a vehicle once owned by celebrities, politicians, and industry titans. For those who appreciate the artistry and engineering of a true American classic, the 1957 Lincoln Continental Mark II is an unparalleled symbol of automotive perfection. Join us as we dive deep into the world of legendary automobiles. Subscribe, engage, and become part of a community that keeps the spirit of automotive history alive.